Here's how to connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets the easy way. Step 1. Set up your lead ad. Go into Meta Ads Manager, create a campaign with the lead's objective, and choose Instant Forms as your lead method. Build your form the way you want, then publish your ad. Step 2. Get your spreadsheet ready. Open Google Sheets, create a new sheet, and add headers for name, email, phone, whatever fields you want to capture. This is where your leads will land. Step 3. Connect Facebook to Google Sheets. The most common way is using Zapier. Sign up for Zapier, create a new Zap, and choose Facebook Lead Ads as your trigger app. Connect your Facebook account, then select your page and lead form. Step 4. Set Google Sheets as the action app. Connect your Google account, pick the spreadsheet and worksheet, then map your fields. For example, name goes to the name column, email goes to the email column, and so on. Finally, test the connection and turn on the Zap. From now on, every lead that comes in through Facebook will automatically appear in your Google Sheet. That's it. Super clean, super simple. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick guides,